Hello everyone, it's Melissa and I'm back today with my August 2019 Project Life Share. I have been using the Hobby Lobby ATC baseball card sleeves. They fit into my 8.5 by 11 We Are Memory Keepers ring binder. So let's get started. So for this month, I had already predetermined that I was going to only do the one spread instead of my normal 2-page summer month spread, because September is in fact going to be a 2-page spread because we had a road trip at the end of the month. So I'll go ahead and do a once over and then we will get started. So per usual, I use the Silhouette Cameo to cut my Project Life card for the month, and I also added some Loving Life gold stickers, a sparkle star that I don't know where I got it. I think I got it in a rack. This is also a Project Life card, and I just added some black washi and backed up in some blue paper. It's super simple, but yeah, I mean, something different than sun and clouds and rainbows and butterflies. So I just wanted to keep it simple. We're going into this next pocket where I'm throughout this spread using the Ali Edwards Story by the Month kit. These are all different months of ephemera and bits and stamps and things wrapped into one. And in fact, this month, you guys, I didn't use a single stamp. And that is not something I do often, but that's what happened. So I will walk you through it. So this Celebrate is a piece of ephemera from Ali, and it's just my daughter finishing up her first session of driver's training. Here we are heading out for a road trip. This license plate is from a pattern paper. I cut it apart. This is an old Project Life card. I just used a mini paper clip and some map washi tape and just typed out that we were going to a friend's house in Noblesville. Here are the kids at the beach, the yacht club. I used some pool time ephemera. I don't remember where that's from, but it's all summer related ephemera in that pack. And the kids were just swimming, and again, anytime my kids are usually in the water, I use my epoxy splash bubbles. So this August story is from the Ali Stories by the Month kit. This heart, just for my stash. It's red, and I used some enamel glossy accents on the top to make it shiny. It's just me and the boat. Happy Day is a Project Life card. This anchor is a Brad from the Eyelet Outlet at the Expo, and I just added Taking It In sticker from Ali, and just the four of us. These are our friends, and we took a boat ride the one morning. These are the kids, fun. This Way is from the same ephemera pack with this pool time, and it's just them running down the dock onto this giant lily pad and into the water. It's kind of funny. I took a video of it. So my daughter had golf tryouts, and in fact she made the team. So this +1 I just have on here because now they've got a new player on their team. She is actually the captain of the JV team, so I'm excited about that. She's got her special golf bag from the team, and yeah, fun times. This is just a card from the Ali's Stories by the Month. It says, find something you're passionate about and keep tremendously interested in it. And Julia Childs, and actually she loves golf. I love golf, and I never thought in a million years that me just taking her out tooling around last summer would lead to this. So I'm super pleased. So here we go. And she's quite good, actually. So here's the back. And I'll start at the top. My son was doing a tennis camp this month, and so I just used an old star piece of ephemera, chipboard for my stash, and a hello that I just cut out from ephemera. And this is just him with his little coach. And here's me, our first drive together with my daughter in the driver's seat. This is from Ali. It says, Love August Stories, and I survived. So that's fun. This is just a piece of ephemera from that same beach ephemera pack, and it just says Fun Times, and the neighbor and Christian have been ripsticking like crazy, so that's kind of fun. Gearing up for school, we went and visited his new school and his locker. Goodbye Summer, and this epoxy bubble, I made that. So Goodbye Summer was a sticker from Ali Edwards, and I put an epoxy bubble to make it like a piece of flair. This is also my Technique Tuesday die that cuts the void here. It's super fun. My daughter and I went to a movie. This was super scary. So I just added our ticket and some washi and some popcorn. And the popcorn is stamped and did like the rock and roll technique to give it some different coloration variation. And is that a word? I don't know, but that's what I did. And that is actually from the Stamps of Life. They've got a popcorn set. This is National Puppy Day, Here and Now. That is from Allie Edwards. Sorry about that, the computer powering down. This is a cut apart from a sheet from, I'm gonna say, Simple Stories, because I love Echo Park and Simple Stories Back to School collection packs. Every time I'm at the expo, I pick them up. They're super cheap. So first day of school is a sticker from one of those packs. And it just, it's meant to be like one of those banner flags, but I just paper clipped it on here and first day of school leading up to here. Added their little bit of info. This is at the bus stop on, as per usual, they always have picture day the first day of school to get their school IDs and stuff like that. And yeah, then we went right into a road trip at the end of the month and headed out to PA. So this card is from a Simple Stories travel pack maybe. And yeah, I will run it into September because that's where we were for the first couple days of September in PA. So here's another once over. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comment section below. I will put my links to my Facebook and Instagram page. I would love for you to come over there, check me out, like my pages, follow me. I'll put those in the description box below. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this video. I love Project Life. And I just love it. And so if you love this video, I would love a thumbs up, of course. Subscribe to my channel, and you can stay up to date. And I'm here about every week, sometimes with a layout process video or a Project Life share. All right, guys, thanks so much for your time, and I'll see you soon. Bye.